You are about to follow a 10-minute guided meditation. By following my voice, you will be guided on a journey that will help lead you to a state of deep relaxation, where you can change the effect fatigue has been having on you and learn ways to relieve the unpleasant symptoms. Start by breathing in gently and out slowly, and continue to do this as I guide you. Relax your whole body and relax your mind. You are sitting comfortably on a flat rock at the top of a mountain. Look around. Notice how different things are up here. The stark colours, the bare rocks, long views, and the cooler temperature. There's a small circle of rocks at your feet and a pile of logs. There are dancing red embers within the circle. Someone else has been here before you on this same journey and has left the fire all ready for you to use. As the fire catches, you feel the warmth in your body, first on your skin and then your face. Let that gentle warmth spread throughout your whole body, your shoulders and arms, your torso, your legs, and your back, settling on the right temperature for you. Breathe in gently and out slowly. Relax your whole body and relax your mind. Breathe in gently and out slowly. Relax your whole body and relax your mind. Breathing in slowly and out gently. Relax your whole body and your mind. gently and out slowly. Relax your whole body and relax your mind. Dawn approaches. The light of the sun as it rises in the distance, the sounds of the birds singing, and the breeze on the mountain. It smells fresher. The colours are brighter. Two golden eagles are flying in tandem. As they launch into the air, they catch a carefully chosen gust of wind that lets them soar to great heights, and then they glide easily sideways and downwards. They're elegant, beautiful, and inspiring. They're using thermal currents that spiral upwards from the earth. Invisible to the human eye, they know how to use them to stay in the air for long periods without using energy to flap their wings. Just gliding, just going about their business, just being. Breathe in gently and out slowly. Relax your whole body and relax your mind. You notice a cloud drifting towards you. It's large, fluffy, white, dense, and very inviting. Imagine the cloud encircling you, feeling it support your weight easily as you settle into its embrace like a favourite old armchair. The cloud drifts with you on board, and it feels safe and familiar. The cloud is strong, supportive, and stable. It has a gentle power that you feel comforted by. As the cloud drifts, the eagles accompany you. You can see the blue, endless sky above. All seems well with the world. You are making the choice to go with the flow and let things happen as they will. Breathe in slowly and out gently. Relax your body and relax your mind. There is nothing you need to do right now. Just glide. Just be. Enjoy the gentle energy of the cloud drifting. The cloud has a gentle power that you can begin to absorb. The cloud is energizing and strengthening you without you doing anything. You have the chance to give away any unwanted sensations or feelings. Just release them to the thermals that surround you. Let them go as you drift lazily on your cloud. You feel better. Somehow things that you thought were so very difficult now seem more manageable, less important. Enjoy the sensation of ease and comfort. Breathing in slowly and out gently. Relax your whole body and your mind. It will shortly be time to leave this place, but remember, you can return here anytime you want. Focus once more on your breathing. Breathing in gently and out slowly. Now, in your own time, bring this exercise to a close. Your journey is complete.